Hello, and welcome to Farm Fresh Favorites, besides Southside Dragway.
Hello, it's about the balls. I want that for 300.
That wasn't words. If you haven't been here yet, it's right next to the racetrack. They have t-shirts for Southside Dragway. They have the comeback shirts for the first event that Happy is throwing. I'm really pumped about it, and this is some of the best pizza I've ever eaten. So, extremely delicious. They're both enjoying it.
Yeah, the boat. The boat just leave.
But we're gonna run over in a minute to the track, do some updates. There's a lot of stuff that just went on, and we're getting close. And you know, my fingernails are itching. I'm so excited. We'll be over there soon. We'll update you guys, let you know what's going on. I'm gonna enjoy my pizza. All right, guys, we've made our way over to the track, Southside Dragway, Mason County, West Virginia. I'll throw the address up since everybody keeps asking where this place is at. It's in Google Maps, guys. You just gotta type it in, no big deal. You can type in Kanawha Valley Dragway or Southside Dragway, because I personally went in there and added Southside Dragway to Google Maps, so not a big deal. I wanted to cover a few things they got going on down here. Somebody donated this ticket booth, which is freaking sweet. It's all aluminum, never gonna rust. Not only did they donate the ticket booth, they donated another ticket booth. So there's two of them. A lot of stuff has happened here. I'll go try to cover it. I've already told you guys, but there's new roofs on all the buildings. If you're new and joining the channel, this place was abandoned for 8 years, closed down, and we have had a lot of dreams of this place opening back up because it's 20 minutes from our house. We've been traveling a long time to race, and there was no track in the whole state of West Virginia, so it was very sad and very frustrating. Let me also preface this, guys. I'm doing everything I can to help market for this place and advertise. That does not mean this is my track. I didn't buy this. Sure, maybe it's my track in my heart, but financially, no. The Smiths bought this place. They made a deal happen that a lot of people have been trying to make happen for a long time, and they got it done, and we cannot express how much we appreciate that. So we're super excited to get this place rocking and rolling and to race here. So let me walk around and show you guys some of the stuff that's being done. It's a lot of work. We're excited. Let me show you. Here's one of the main viewing buildings here. It still looks great, but it is going to be painted soon. And if you ever were concerned about, man, I wonder if there's gonna be enough seating, there will be enough seating. These are all actually the old bleachers that used to be here. They bought them all back. You got all those bleachers over there. Hopefully you guys can hear me over the wind. It's been a beautiful, perfectly sunny day, and the second we pulled up, the wind started blasting. But we got all those bleachers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets. There's more somewhere else. And then, I didn't even know these were here, but over there, you have another giant set of bleachers. So you got that, and in addition to that, it's gonna be a no prep track for at least the first year, maybe longer. And no prep people don't really care if there's bleachers. They'll BYOC all day. So you can line up the fence to your heart's content, and we'll go no prep racing. Speaking along those lines, May 18th is gonna be the opener. The comeback race, it's gonna be the first race here. There's nothing on this track, so it's gonna be an epic no prep race. There's no rubber down. It's been over 8 years since the car's been down this track. So we're really pumped. We're coming off a win at the final call at I-64 Motorplex, so very excited. If you haven't seen that video, go back and watch that. I'll link it in the description. There is a fella who, I can't remember his name, but he has agreed to completely renovate the bathrooms. That's gonna be done soon. You got the Pit Stop Cafe over here. Initially, this is not gonna be open as a kitchen, but there will be a food truck here, and Kayla from over at Farm Fresh Favorites is gonna run the food truck, and their food is flipping awesome. So what else do we got? Let me look around here. I swear, guys, I've done a lot of track updates in my YouTube career. Not one time, not even once, have I visited a track for an update that it hasn't rained. 0% chance of rain today. 0%. Here we are. I'm just gonna get wet and power through the weather here. I really hope you guys can hear me because I know it's really windy. The power is back on, so all the lights are working. I'll throw up pictures here of the lights working. The PA system is working. Thanks to our buddy Matt Means. He put a lot of work in, a lot of effort in, and a lot of stuff to make the PA happen. They actually are using the PA that was already here. It still works, and Matt Means got it working, so we really appreciate him for that. So we're gonna have sound, we're gonna have power, we're gonna have all the bleachers. They put really nice gravel down, so it's not gonna be a footing or mud issue. And check out this surface, guys. If you're a no prep guy, you should be excited about this. This is the what's left of the rubber from 8-9 years ago, and the last time this place was raced on. First round will be a little sketchy, but I think this track's gonna come around really quick. First round will be good for us, guys with a little less power, but these high-powered guys, I'd say they're gonna be making some steam come third, fourth round. It's gonna be a fast track. One cool thing, hopefully you guys can see, is they've been pressure washing the building there, and you can see the different logos that have been on the building. The old Kanawha Valley Dragway Park, and then you got Kanawha Valley Motorsports Park. But eventually, or pretty soon, that's gonna all be gone. They're gonna paint over that, and then I think my buddy Larry Flowers is gonna paint the new logo on the wall. So hopefully that's still a thing. He'll do a good job. I'm getting soaking wet. I've asked Levi to bring his Power Wheels over here, and we'll do a little Power Wheels burnout here. You know, why not?
Get set.
He will keep going until he runs into the sand trap at the end of the track. Can't thank the Smiths enough for making this happen, and we're gonna do everything we can to support it and make it big. And watch out, because there might be some real big names in the YouTube world showing up. I will not mention any names, but there might be some really important YouTube people showing up on opening day or shortly thereafter. So make sure you get here early, because it's gonna be packed. But thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it. We really want to do more updates like this. Like I said, it has been 80 degrees and absolutely gorgeous all day, and the second we pull in here, it starts raining and blowing the wind. So that's frustrating. Hopefully the audio is not bad, but you know, it is what it is. If you go back and watch all my track updates from here in Twin Branch, it's always raining. We'll see you guys very soon. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And follow our no prep career, or short so far no prep career. We do some bracket racing, we do revivals, we do all kinds of different stuff. And thinking about rebranding the channel. So if you want Mountain State UTV and racing stuff merch, you might want to holler at me real soon, because I'm not making any more, and once it's gone, it's gone. Real quick, I'd really like to thank my parents. Pappy and Nana secured over 20 metal trash barrels for the track. They're donating them to the track. So it's the little things like that that go a long way. We appreciate it. I know the Smiths will appreciate it, and I know the racers will appreciate it. So thanks to Nana Pap.